Okay, so this one says, which statement describes the graph of G compared to F? So what's the difference between G and F? Well, the real difference is just this 0.4. So when we think of G of X like this, where I say G of X is equal to A times B raised to the X minus C plus D, really what's going on, A stretches or compresses. So say it compresses or stretch vertically. So if it's less than 1, then it would compress. A is less than 1. Well, actually, I got to be careful how I say that. If it's a fraction. Now, a fancy math word to say it's a fraction is if it's 0 is less than A is less than 1. In other words, A is less than 1 but positive. So that's just going to compress it vertically. The actual answer, though, is this. So the graph of G is a vertical compression of the graph of F. Now, if I want to graph that on my graphing calculator, that's one way I can verify that it's right. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come over here. I'm going to close that. And in my first one, I'm going to put, let me clear this out. I'm going to put 6 raised to the X minus 2. And then on the bottom one, the blue one is going to be 0.4. Then in parentheses, I'm going to put 6 raised to the X minus 2. So they're basically the same. The only thing that's different is I've got this 0.2 or 0.4 at the beginning. So now when I hit graph, remember the red one is the f of x. And then the blue one is g of x, but it's just going to be compressed vertically. So it's just going to squish it a little bit. And that's it. Okay. If I just do a standard zoom, you could see it a little better, I guess. The blue line is, you're just taking the red line and squishing it. So there's f of x. And g of x is blue. And it's the red line squished a little bit vertically. Compress is the math term, but you could think of it as being squished or pressed down. And that's it. Huh? What's that? I don't think that's what you said, but. So let's just label this so you know what we're doing. So the red one is f of x, and the blue one is g of x. That's it.